Okay, what wall is it?
Huh?
What wall is it?
This big one right over here.
Okay. Are they all behind that wall?
What?
I was just holding.
Why don't you just jump out and run over there?
That's what I just said. You want to, Kermit? I'll hold Kermit.
I'm not very fast. You guys are faster.
We all just gotta rush the wall.
Yes, all four of y'all go while I hold it.
Okay.
Okay? Go
All
over there. Go over there, Kermit. One.
No, not yet. Ready. Kermit, are you ready? Hey, Jim.
Go. Go.
Go.
Here, you cover the left side, I'll cover the right.
Go.
Oh, how'd they get him?
Go.
Who shot you? Never mind.
Hey, try to get up against the wall. Against it instead of around it.
I'm here. Yeah, I know where they are.
Don't you have to be on the wall?
Hey, can we go around this way, Tires?
Right behind there.
Hey, you have to be on that back wall, bro. We'll rush him.
He's behind this white wall.
Yeah. Behind this white wall.
Oh, we're
Shit.
you good?
I'm good, but...
You can't be that fucking close.
Did I drop a mag?
They just ran back.
All of them?
Watch it.
Watch what?
Right in this corner.
I'm right here. This is me. Drew. That's Drew.
Oh.
You can get the only person. Yeah, they shot me from the light. Hey.
Ow.
Got it. Watch out. Didn't make it far enough. I don't know, but whoever's right there beside you, Austin got hit.
Great.
Yeah, he got hit. Where they at? Where are they? Is he in the woods?
Steven was right. Oh. I think that's Steven.
I'm pretty sure that's you guys.
Yeah, so that.
Damn, somebody's getting hard. Hey, that guy's not on this wall anymore. We're gonna go back and do that thing, alright? Austin?
What?
That dude's not on that wall anymore. We're gonna go back and do that thing, okay?
Hey, Kermit, we're going back to the plant.
Okay.
Because we're not there anymore.
What the? Don't fall.
Yeah, Eli.
This is harder than I thought it would be.